Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Welcome to 1840 Crest Avenue in Macedon, a phenomenally updated ranch home with a private nature setting. I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Let's take a tour. This is updated one-floor living with an ideal open floor plan, featuring a white and bright kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a breakfast bar, and a dining area. Open to a grand cathedral ceiling living room with a gas fireplace, all with new floors and deck access. The excellent floor plan continues with a private owner's suite with a walk-in closet, an updated full bathroom and deck access, plus a separate bedroom wing with 2 additional spacious bedrooms and a full bathroom. This is the ultimate finished lower level with an expansive family room with a media area with built-ins, 2 bedrooms with egress windows, and a full bathroom. Enjoy this private nature setting on over half an acre with an expansive deck and wonderful landscaping. This home also features an expansive front porch to enjoy the summer breeze, solar panels for inexpensive electric, and a premier location at the end of a dead-end street, nearby the village of Macedon with easy access to Fairport, Canandaigua, and the entire Finger Lakes region. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 1840 Crest Avenue in Macedon, one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!